needs and their energy
Well,
projections.
if I may, I hate to interrupt, but I'd like to make sure I get some more in before I run out
That's
of time.
fine, no problem.
So you got the current governor who can't finish before he leaves office in December, and the next governor is not going to file a plan. So I assume you will have to wrestle with that. So let me move on to another issue. You and your colleagues like to imply that Congress won't have a role in this process when you proposed the plan last year. You cited, for example, multi-state programs as a basis to ensure, quote, more flexibility and lower costs, end quote. Recently, one of your deputies told FERC that the multi-state plans are a significant part of your strategy. I'd like to acquaint you with Section 102C of the Clean Air Act requirements. Requires congressional consent for cooperative agreements. That's Section 102C of the Clean Air Act requires congressional consent for cooperative agreements. The law reads, quote, no such agreement or compact shall be binding or obligatory upon any state unless and until it's been approved by Congress. Unless and until it's been approved by Congress. Doesn't seem ambivalent to me. I can assure you that as long as I'm Majority Leader of the Senate, this body's not going to be signing off on any backdoor energy tax.
I'm sorry, let me just indicate, sir, that I believe that we're acting under the authority that Congress gave us under the Clean Air Act, and we are going to be producing a rule that will stand its test of time in the courts.
Yeah, that's going to be the test. You're going to have to prove it in court, as you know. In the meantime,
As we most often do.
yeah, in the meantime, we got a grim situation in Kentucky. Thank you, Madam Chairman.